Welcome to Wireman's Whimsy. Tonight we are going to make this Love to My Always from Your Forever card. I am eagerly waiting for my February paper pumpkin to arrive. It'll probably arrive next week. So I thought what I would do while I was waiting for it is do a paper pumpkin mashup. So this card is made up of a Cherry Cobbler card base, 2 elements from the Berry Comforting December 2020 kit. I've used one of the enamel hearts from the Sending Hearts January 2021 kit, and I've colored it with Cherry Cobbler. And I'm using the gold foil elements, the banner and the word love, and the flowers from the Joy to the World set from October of 2020. To do the embossing on the card, I am using the Stone 3D embossing folder. So it is really, really nice. It looks like paving stones. So I'm using that, and I'm using the saying, "To my always, from your forever," from the Well Said stamp set. So we will get started. There's very little stamping on this. It's just the greeting. So I am going to get started by running the card through the 3D embossing folder. So you can see on the folder that it doesn't go all the way to the edge. So what you're going to want to do is when you put your card base in, is you're going to want to make sure that your fold is in line with the edge of the embossing on the folder so you don't have a gap on the edge. I'm just going to run it through the cut and emboss machine, and you will see the effect it has. It's very, very nice. So I'll just leave all of that over there, and you can decide which way you like it, if you like it that way or if you like it that way, and I prefer it this way. So I am going to fold the card like that. Just use my bone folder. If you don't have a bone folder, you can use the edge of a Stampin' Blends or your fingernail to tighten that corner up. And then what I did is I used my tape runner to put down the gold banner just along the edge of the card, about equidistant from the top to the bottom. Just pop that down, make sure it's straight. And I try and put it down with the side of my hand because the foil, it does show all the fingerprints. So I am just going to run the bone folder down this again, just so it lays a bit flatter. There we go. I dimensionalized the circle, but I did that after I glued the saying on. I'm going to dimensionalize the flower first and put that on, and then I can put the words where I'd like the words to be. And maybe we'll put another dimensional on there, just like that. Just peel those backs off, and I just popped that on just so it covers up the edge. The background in this is the soft sea foam and the rich razzleberry. But the rich razzleberry is so fine, you don't really see it as a different color from the Cherry Cobbler. So I am going to put on the saying, and I'm just going to use just a little bit of liquid glue. And you just need a little tiny bit, because you don't want to smear glue all over. So I'm just putting a little dot in where there's a bit of a wider part on the saying. And then I'm just going to pick it up and pop it on the front, just like that. And just tap it down. I don't want to tap it too hard because I don't want to squeeze all that glue out. So we'll just leave that like that. And while that's just having a bit of time to dry, I will stamp the greeting. So I'm stamping in Cherry Cobbler, and I've got a gold foiled edged label from the Berry Comforting set, and I'm just going to pop this To My Always From Your Forever right into the middle there. Close that up. Let's put that to the side, and I'm going to use my pick a tool, and I'm going to just lift up the enamel heart, and then I can put it down where I want it on here. So this pick a tool is really, really useful. So I'll put that out of the way, and I can build the card. So I dimensionalized this piece, so I will grab some more dimensionals, and I just pop those on the back like that. Peel them off, and I placed it overlapping the banner. You can put it around however you like. Just put it down. There we go. And then I just use tape runner on the back of the greeting, and then you just kind of tuck it under the edge like that and stick it down. And there you have Love to My Always From Your Forever, a mashup of a few different paper pumpkin kits. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and click that bell to notify. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.